Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's GALA video update for Monday 25th of April. And okay, now we've already made the dump to the downside along with Bitcoin as far as I see for GALA as well. But one thing that I'm actually going to mention and let you know is on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so look at this chart pattern and the support at the 4-hour time frame. There is a support coming down here. So if you actually look at it this way, it's like GALA is actually respecting that support at the moment. Okay, so you did have some little bit of a touch. So you had one touch, second, and a third right there. So this could be the bottom, but if you start to lose this trend line, potentially take out 17025, that's going to be very, very bad to continue to the downside. Okay, so that's the only sort of support, near support, that we have for GALA right now, right? So the upper resistance is going to be this one, of course, something like this right there. So it's like potentially putting in some sort of a falling wedge or a channel. So there's a nice good chance that you actually do go to the upside right over here to this point, 18430. Okay, so you could actually go to the 18430 and potentially continue with the downtrend and continue along in this channel right over here. All right, so that was the smaller picture. Let's talk about the bigger picture. The near time frame is done, and the bigger time frame is that yesterday I did actually bring in this, big, some sort of a triangle in which we are trapped in right now. And I talked about how, GALA can actually start to break to the downside, or it can be bullish to go to the upside as well. Now, the problem is you can already see that this is a very, very, very clear break to the downside. Okay, so that's not a good thing. Now, as long as you're actually down here, it's not really a good thing, but there is a chance that you actually pick up very, very quickly, and this one turns out to be a quick wick to the downside. Why? Because you have 8 more hours to close the daily candle. So it could be a wick just like you had 2 wicks over here. It could be another wick right over here, but time will tell. If you end up closing below this yellow line for 2-3 days, then in my opinion you're going to go to the downside. You are going to continue to actually go to the downside. Now, the monthly time frame is a little bit bad. I just noticed the monthly time frame is a little bit like not very good and not ideal to trade the monthly time frame, because you end up putting in an evening star right over there, and you also lost the support level as well. So two bearish things about GALA is out there. But I'm just going to actually dollar cost average. I'm going to kind of accumulate GALA as much as I can until, if it probably does try to come down to these levels as well, I might be entering that along with how it behaves to the downside as well. So that's it for this quick update for GALA. Do check it out. Be careful out there, and you don't want to lose that support line that I've already drawn for you. If you start to close below the support line, it's going to be bad. But today is going to be very important, because I just want to see if that was a quick wick to the downside. Is that support that I showed you on the 4-hour time frame, is it going to hold to go to the 0.184? And if you go to the 0.184 today, then you're pretty much going to be safe, right? You're gonna enter the safe zone. So that's what you want to see for GALA. If you end up closing like this at the 177, then in my opinion, that's a little bit of a red alarming situation. Red alert is what I want to say, by the way. And that's it for today's GALA video update. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.